All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are back again. We're back again. So please, I just want us to discuss something very, very important. Okay. We all know how some people are trying to change the narrative. The lies and propaganda is second to none. And some people are actually trying to turn the history down, upside down, trying to claim what they are not, trying to act as if they know everything, whereas they know nothing. So in this video, we are going to talk about, we are going to listen to an audio of one of our brother, says something that I think it is good for you to hear, at least to learn something from that. And credit to the person that shared this to me. I really appreciate you. You are one in a million. This kind of message is something that will motivate people like me, to know that truthful people are still around us. People who love truthfulness, they are still around. Not those who want to write history just to suit the narrative, claiming to know everything, whereas they don't know anything. We have seen people trying to argue about the template, about what Masamagano did, about what Premier Masamanaba did, about what is going on now. A lot of story. And I don't want to waste much of your time. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Put your comment, of course. We always go through comment. That I did not reply your comment does not mean that I did not see it. I read comment a lot. And that is where I receive feedback from you to know how you feel about, like if you want something to, maybe there's something that you don't like that we do here, or something that you want us to adjust or to add, the best place to get it is on comment section, or if you have my number, you can reach out to me. Okay, the number you are seeing here, this is my WhatsApp number. In case if you want to, this is my WhatsApp number. So let us go straight to the program. Please like the video. Okay.
I don't mean attack the video you only need but I mean that there. But then you go in and remember wherever I go and get special here. Maybe I can destroy Simon. But I will tell you what if you remember?
Again.
Listen to me, my brother. Can you know ESN? Audio is really ESN. Because DOS handed over ESN to Southeastern governors. Was that in Namo de Cardo's view? Was that with you? Can you sabotage the whole camps ESN in the way which is still Makaba in the government? And this sabotage it. For us and a DOS will Eastern security work hand over government for them to put them under or into a rope. But the worst thing how they came in or what? That is it. You're not gonna say on say. And now they say, Flanny, of course, now Flanny, they walk what the guys will have been a befa. Freddy, they have been him out there because having him out there, they will claim that of young one, nobody can Nigeria.
Exactly.
You and a support offer because how long going to be there, Mama. Then when you claim when I have to get down thousands of years.
You know, this message is, each time I listen to this message, I felt so happy. Not because of any other thing, but for us to know that some people who we still have people who can reason to understand the reason why some of this decision that PM did or some of the things going on now is the way it is. I have seen some people who claim that USB Nigeria, USB charger, USB Nigeria, that they are not going after Fulani in our land. You remember when they argued that CUS is protecting Fulanis, that he warned people not to go after Fulanis, which is not the issue. The issue is that once you begin to pick ethnic group like that, you are now giving evidence for people to see you as a terrorist, which is something that everybody don't want to happen. You don't want to get close to that kind of nonsense, stigma that you're a terrorist. Now listen to him. He put it in a very, very easy way for people to understand.
You and limited because not the same type of food can have.
Which is true.
But yes, Simon don't need to come against any ethnic group.
Number one. That is where PM said that you have to focus on the enablers. Those that are enabling Fulanis to go to the village to buy people. Those that are making sure they're escorting them when they are going out to buy people. That's why we often hear that 2 posts away from army checkpoint or police checkpoint in Igbo land alone, because they don't have this checkpoint elsewhere, only in Igbo land. Few posts away, then my car was stopped by kidnappers. Oh, we were their hideout is few miles away, few meters away from checkpoint. You get why? You actually believe that this security agent don't know that this hideout is there? You must be joking. Upon all the places they will go, they will strategize, they will man their roadblock. That is where kidnappers choose to have their hideout. Okay, you think that kidnappers don't know there's a roadblock there, and police people don't know that where they have roadblock, that kidnappers are also very close. Is that what they're trying? If you believe that, that means you are lacking in terms of reasoning. There's nothing like that. They know everything they're doing, and they're working together to make sure that they protect their brother. Listen.
If someone come against any ethnic group attack terrorism, it should be this guy not a London
I think a grandson.
I think the cool grandson.
No, I think a grandson.
The cool grandson or something like that. That guy had the trade in the Igbo. They had a Jimiza. They had a job. What was the Igbo? Why am I really where you go? Did I be a big kid in London? If man on Igbo to that guy in London, on Igbo to Yanga because of Guinea. Other ethnic group name broadcast and name you not comment no. So
in case you don't know, if you don't know the guy, let me show you. Let me flash it for some of us that don't know that this guy here. Okay, I don't know this after this the guy that is on white here. That's a Dinka grandson that was calling for using biological weapon, using chemical weapon. How many of you remember when that was trending? So they buy all those things so that this guy really hit hard on Igbo people. Then, if you know, you know. Let's continue.
To terminate the ethnic group Igbos. Right, you must time on expect when you're going to come on Uche Marivade. Specialized here at Fulani. If they go terrorist, Nigerian military terrorist, Fulani military terrorist. You have to put it in a way the war they do MIS, no on that. No, not Fulani in a Gumakaba. Come on, they want the group not even
bad ones.
Criminals and the Nigerian government and in the war. All of in the war, in the S-men, the 40 years, the terrorists, they went over. Because they know them, not all Fulani. They just make a include the whole ethnic group. Here we check you there.
No, mommy.
It doesn't work like that. So the highest thing was the Biafrans will not open a side money take a side on Apple because you're under the DOS, or under DOS. Our chief those days you could move from Madonia, Abala Katinatonia. But since the was since 12 years, 13 years up to today, now, IPU of email chief. Manager of a particular create awareness for 13 years. Why Nigeria what action can let me tell you, I got an open war in Nigeria. And you know Nigeria move to all bombers open war. Nigeria ended that there. Nigeria ended that there. Nobody's gorilla war and I come until from a foreign that's okay, can discuss because they cannot win gorilla war. And and if I confront to the whole people, you have to go to you want to confront to offer. Oh, what anyway. Sit at home now. Can you probably wouldn't sit at home on the bar? And I the buy that we are suffering our people. This is the blah 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 blah. Oh yes, Zoya Tuesday, Zoya Wednesday, Zoya Thursday, Zoya Friday, Zoya Saturday. If it's Subsupo on Sunday. I will see we are Monday go ya was so I go ya boy. But why I want to go ya was so about I even not why. Even not but I know because a race him and a fan log for 3 years. The starvation lost to more than 6 million. Survive boy. Establish here they are safe for all the whole part of the world today as Igbo race. I will say this at home on Monday. Can I have survival? What are nonsense propaganda?
Very weak
Our
one.
people love it. Oh, you won't let sit at home. I will pay any day or one. If I come out on that way, that's where my mother, because Biafra is bigger than that very Monday. You know, when the buy get them with a powder and they them with a powder. Oh no, yeah, oh no, I so put them at you on the Jewish look. I won't give you. Nana, the game we're today, last night, they will not blow when mother take a sign on that. Now, the journey of local school, we might go the way of Biafran government in exile, but we will not review it here. Now, one of his program, because now I review it here, the criminals will go and they hijack it. Even my Robbie Fem, everything same on name today with them plating now, the kind of it's been discussed. It's been discussed. Or even in the case, I don't know online before now, or even in the case online.
I tire.
Even in the time when I go, not try out for everyone I follow. They got a name, so
For where?
Let them stop enviness. Simon is in charge. And one else is in charge. If you can't support him, keep silent.
I can tell you that this audio was not just now. It could be when US was actually fighting PM very, 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 very bad, doing everything. But it's not old because you can see what is going on now in this audio. That's why I decided to have to share this one with us. Please, you can see that almost everything that this person said here in this audio is actually what is going on now. The template they're talking about, what is going on, why must you do this and do that, is only when a lot of changes that are quite dangerous took place. That is only when you can also so yes, you are wrong in this one, that kind of thing. But for now, please, can we hold our peace and relax, see and pray to know what the future holds for us? I just want to share it with you. Tell me what you think about it. God bless you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now.